85 से 73 BC तक फाउंडर पुष्यमित्र शुंग, ब्राह्मण कमांडर इन शेप ऑफ लास्ट मौर्य रूलर बृहद्रथ इन 185। कैपिटल पाटलिपुत्र शिफ्ट कर दिया विदिशा। रिवाइवल ब्राह्मणिज्म परफॉर्म टू अश्वमेधा यज्ञ। पतंजलि हु रोट महाभाष्य was the priest mentioned in Divya Vadana as persecutor of Buddhists. Faced Indo-Greek invasion under Demetrius and Menander. Associated with restoration and enlargement of Sanchi Stupa. Built Bharut Buddhist Stupa MP. Patronized Sanskrit learning and Vedic rituals. Agnimitra, son of Pushyamitra. Agnimitra 149 to 141 BC. Agnimitra is the hero of Kalidas. Kalidas play Malvikagnimitra. Dynasty ended when last ruler Devbhuti was killed by his minister Vasudev Kanva in 73. Heliodorus pillar at Vidisha dates to Sunga period. Sunga art shows early narrative reliefs and Buddhist symbolism despite Brahminical patronage. Their reign is considered a transition phase between Maurya centralization and regional fragmentation. Kanva dynasty. Vasudev Kanva, minister of last Sunga ruler Devbhuti. Patliputra capital. Ruler Vasudeva Bhumimitra Narayan Suswarma. Continued Sunga policy of Brahminical patronage. Maintained control mainly over Magad region. Known more from Puranic reference than inscription. Overthrow by Satvahana. Period saw rise of regional power in Deccan and northwest India. Satvahana 60 से 225 AD. Founded by Simuka. Identical with Andhra who were mentioned in Purana. Early king found in Maharashtra, not Andhra. Capital Pratisthana, Pathan, Maharashtra. Territory spread across Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Important ruler Gautamiputra Satkarni. Nasik inscription by his mother Gautami Balasari. Vasishtha Putra Satkarni married to the daughter of Saka Chhatrapa Rudradaman but defeated by him twice. Gautami Putra defeated Saka Yavnaj Pahalbaz, restored Satvahana power. King Hala credited with Gat Saptasati or Satyasai. Prakrit poetry anthology. Gundhya, author of Brihat Katha in Prakrit, was contemporary of Hala. Issued coin mostly laid with Prakrit legends. Some coins shows sheep indicating maritime trade. Active Indo-Roman trade. Roman gold coin found in Deccan. Control Dakshin Path trade route linking North and South India. Patronized Buddhism. Stupa at Amravati, Nagarjunkonda also supported Brahmanism. Started practice of land grant to Brahman and Buddhist monks which weakened with their authority. Earliest evidence of land grant in India belong to 1st century BC. Inscription mostly in Prakrit language. Promoted rock cut cave and Buddhist monument. Declined due to pressure from Sakas and Western Kshatrapas. Pulamavi 14 was last ruler and succeeded by Ikshvaku.